2x4s wrapped in orange netting. Let's talk about it. What we're planning to do here is we're gonna increase the height of this property only by a fraction, which is the bulkhead that you see behind me. The purpose of this bulkhead is that when we install the staircase on the interior of the property, we want to make sure that the staircase comes all the way up and onto the roof deck that we're going to create here. So before we do that, because this is a landmark property in the historic district, we have to build something called a mock-up. It's basically a structure that we're going to build, recreating the future bulkhead of this property. This way, once we finish the work, somebody from Landmarks and our architect will come out. They're going to take a bunch of photos. They're going to look all around to see if you can actually see it from the street. If you can see it from the street, we have to revise our plans. They might disapprove it. And that's going to help us understand exactly what we need to do and how we need to redesign the interior of our property. The beauty of this specific bulkhead is that because we have 3 exposures, we're going to use that for our benefit. We're actually going to create another mock-up where we're going to drop 2x4s down the side of this property where the stairs are going to be. And the purpose of that is so that we can create excessively large windows that are going to stretch from the top to the bottom of where the staircase is going to be. That'll give the property even more natural light and create something super special that's never seen before in these type of homes. Aside from building this gorgeous bulkhead on this roof, we have another very exciting part of this project. Access agreements, my favorite part of the job. What's a little bit complicated about these access agreements is that not only do they have a roof deck that can be used for pleasure, but they also have a ton of mechanical equipment on their roof, so that as I'm working on my property, I have to make sure that all of their property is protected.